Bro, because you're different. You're just different.
But I did like ass last game, and then I had to go.
Here comes a little old.
Bro, you're built diffy, bro. You're just built diffy.
You should move there, companions.
You're a problem.
We're all good. Alright. Oh no wait, did I win last game? Bro, I had to do something that took like an hour. I'm so lost. Yeah, I won last game. I remember now. Alright, now I know.
I got it. Relax, bro. Act like you've been there.
Extended heavy mag here. Level 2.
But I can't complain because I got paid.
Nice, sure.
Standard stock here. Level 2.
Let us catch them unaware. I have opened the vault. Dive it in. Extended heavy mag here.
Knockdown shield here. Level 4.
I have an extended sniper. Backpack here.
Thanks.
Backpack here. Extended heavy mag here. Level 2.
We got an
Pick
evil
that up,
harvester
and
here.
then we need another crate. That's all we need is a crate. None near us. I forgot you could see
I am a scanner.
this. It is true. Yeah, we could all get purple if that happens.
Oh,
Is there no scanner nearby?
50.
Mm-mm.
We've got an evil harvester here.
Oh wait, there's a care package right here. Got the care package.
I'll tell you.
It's not like that.
Up
Yeah, you got it like that?
Sniper.
It ain't like that. See, hammer points on it is good and all, but when I'm doing 48 to 9 damage a shot, no matter what range I'm at, it's kind of like, might as well just switch the master because I keep getting cross map fight anyway. So what's the difference? I lied to fight him. Honestly, I might just grab this, back up, and then we just like take his down.
I'm down to push this. I'll boost us real quick.
Bang roll coming in.
Oh my god, so one.
I'm cover for you, mates.
Taking a moment to recharge my shield.
I'll pick you up.
Cheerleader don't mean nothing to sit around.
We're getting thirded, I think. Appreciate it.
Recharging my shields.
Tip top, mates. Sheena's ready for some fun.
Wait, behind.
Getting shot at.
Get in the building.
Putting up some armed cover.
Conduit so low.
Down.
Took down an enemy.
I'm honestly about to get back.
Charging my shield.
Either to get away from this fight entirely, because there's too many
51 flash.
Getting some damage.
Replenishing my shields.
wait. We gotta
Marking our surroundings. Attack it.
unless if one of y'all's got it.
Smart bullet deployed.
Is there one or is there two?
It's one, bro. I called it out. 54 flash behind this fucking wall.
I got
Like
the
that.
Up, this one's free.
Reloading.
Oh yeah.
He's running.
I'm not chasing that. That's not good.
Armed cover's getting packed up.
She went into con.
Recharging my shields.
She went into con.
He's gonna have to move. So we have
Move that way, mates.
we don't have any survival items. That's not good.
That's funny.
We can still survive. Later.
Should we go through here?
Found a heat
I got
shield
the
here.
evac tower.
Yeah, got
Oh
it.
my god, there's somebody right here. I thought it was a death box. My bad, buddy. Finisher on you. Tough time.
You gotta love what you do. Mine's taking you
Alright,
down to
I'm
crap
moving,
down.
'cause I'm not trying to.
I'm with y'all.
My 8 brain is telling me, don't take storm damage. You will live to regret it. Just like watching tomorrow's teaching crunches. You live to regret it.
Surging. With me.
I bathe in the blue.
That was so
Yeah, doesn't this guy's ult make us go faster too?
bad. With your gun out, yeah. It makes you basically run speed as a fist with your gun out.
Oh shit.
Need a moment to heal.
Only with your gun. Your fist, you're not getting any speed. But it might be a little faster than this. Oh, the timing on that was perfect. I saw that.
Yeah.
No fucking way. You're not in I.
Hang on. I'm not even.
Right there, 53.
Bless me. Broken enemy shield.
Nice down.
Took down that hooligan.
Where's the motherfuckers I shot at?
Armed cover
I'll
for
take
you,
that
mate.
first.
Wait. I might die here.
There's life yet left in this.
Damn it, that guy was so low.
Putting up some amped cover.
Are they hiding? Excuse me. There's no way we're hiding. We're not hiding.
Healing.
We're trying
The
to-
ring is far. 1 minute to make
Getting
this
shot
ready.
at.
Splendid.
Taking a moment to recharge my shields. There's an enemy over there.
Tossing up some amped cover.
80.
He's healing. He's healing right now. I saw him pop a.
Charging my shields. Rings closing in 45. Close.
Why are you literally gargling it down? How do you kill that?
Right.
Pop
Get
off.
my cover out of here. Amped cover for you, mates.
Smart bullet
Raid
fire.
4. Raid 4. I hit her 71 in the head.
Enemy
Raid 4
over
going
there.
over there.
Just waiting to be stepped on. Any takers?
Hey, they're going around.
One in the distance. Doesn't look too scary,
Yeah.
so you can come out of hiding.
That might be
Some plunkers shooting at me. Healing up.
We should probably just play circle here.
Yeah.
Charging my shields.
Oh wait, right here.
Yes, the
He's being shot
Pathfinder.
at by somebody else. He's being shot at by another team.
Oh yeah, they're moving towards him. Don't shoot at him. Try to move past them. That might be
Yeah.
our best bet.
Yeah.
Wait, close with me.
Smart bullets hit the foe.
Aim down.
Enemy's shield broke.
I bathe in the blue. Throwing arc star.
Finish.
Broken enemy shield.
Back
Killed
some
the plunker.
zone, back some
Sublime
zone.
kill
They're gonna come
companion.
towards us.
Charging my shields.
Find some cover before they do.
Shields.
Wait, they're close on me, I think.
I got them. Recharging my shields. Scanning the area. Took out
I
the
need to craft some ammo here.
Should be back. Open this one.
Got a bad one over there.
Wait, just play circle. We're chilling.
Oh no.
Taking a moment to
I'm gonna try and craft a bat.
There is another squad. They are
Enemy spotted. Enemy's shield broke.
I'm not with y'all.
upon us. Our replicator dis-
He's solo.
Taking a moment to heal.
He's trying to rat.
Hold up, Haas. I can't do shit. Haas, below you. Below you. Blue.
Yeah, I see him.
Yeah, he's below you.
It's a raid. So it's okay. That's the team that was shooting at me with the triple take.
Yeah.
I'm cover for you, mates.
With the patty.
Open up my cover.
Being shot at.
There's a bad.
Oh.
Yeah, that's a lot of teams. Going for the rock
Putting up some amped cover.
has
Replenishing my shields.
Yeah.
cracked.
Reloading.
I'm knackered.
I just need like some. Do you have white heels at all?
On height.
Like,
Putting
no
up some amped cover.
New kill leader. I'm taking fire. Taking a moment.
Rude. Smart bullets hit.
Do you have any white heels?
Watch their confidence fade.
what, health? Health heal? Like, I do. It's like,
Wait, there's a guy close right here.
Some amped cover.
solo. No, that's the right there, right there. I'm not playing.
Getting shot at.
Nice. Got snared, awesome.
Snare. Charging my shield.
Marking our surroundings.
Now, another one's right
Enemy
here.
here.
Honestly, I'd go back to height. I'd go back to where we were because that guy's just gonna run away.
Reloading.
And I got covered here too, so.
I need that.
Open up some amped cover.
Yeah, I know. That's why I've been playing this guy.
Someone wants to decide who's the guy.
Enemy OT. They're not on the
Winning game, question mark?
Don't forget to wipe.
He's still up there behind that replicator. It's a rape? Alright, dude. It's actually.
Oh.
Shots fired this
Amped cover for you, mate.
Replenishing my
Where are
shields.
they shooting at you from? This team's behind
Full
that rock.
spotted.
Oh, we have zone though.
I'm healing.
Yeah, we're chilling. We're chilling.
Bum behavior. Wraith is up there.
Enemy
on the
here.
The higher ground. I tried. Hitter 52.
Smart bullets hunting foes.
I'm just gonna make this
My amped cover's destroyed.
just start shooting.
Wait, there's a team right here
One-on-one
too.
race?
Yeah, that's the one guy that we just killed. Back on
Cover's
strike,
getting
place
backed up.
cover.
Putting up some amped cover. Amped cover's getting backed up.
Recharging
Is
my
that Wraith team and
Replicator
I?
with goodies
Nope,
there.
they're gonna
We should go take
crack,
Let's shoot.
Horizon.
There's one, mate.
Smart bullets.
Yeah, you're
I
gonna be
can hit her.
melting through his meds.
all father.
I almost.
Yo, follow right here.
I'm throwing an arc star.
Where?
Real.
Oh, yeah, I see. Down, dead. I think they pushed. They pushed him. They pushed
More
him.
teams. I'm batting. I'm batting.
Buck place to cover.
Amped cover for you, mate.
23.
Reloading.
Purple. Bro, where are these other
Taking a
teams
moment to
at?
recharge my shields.
I'm not gonna lie to you. It's starting to really. Oh, that's where you are. You're awesome. Wow.
Any med kits at all or no?
Charging
No,
my
I ain't
shield.
got.
Nah,
I
no
got
med kits.
8.
All I got is 4 bats. That's it.
Hey, book y'all come over here. I'll drop you.
That's the team ran.
Getting some damage.
Did y'all loot the box already?
Giving my shield
I'm gonna jump down and try to loot this box real quick.
Device is not even. Multiple squads.
I looted it. I'm backing up.
Stay healthy. Stay healthy.
Amped cover for you, mates. 45 seconds. Ring it back.
Smart bullets hunting foes.
All father.
They're still sitting.
Charging my shield.
Honestly, if we get rid of that team, 64.
Wait, this one's
64.
right here. Behind the.
Could make it in
Alright, hold on.
30
Let me put
seconds.
some cover right
Some flankers shooting at me.
I have my ult in 50. What do you need? Light?
Putting up some amped cover.
here. 71 crack. 54. Crack. Crash.
batting.
Almost dead. Almost dead.
cover.
Companions, we're not
Hughes
far
is
from
being
the
annoying.
Charging my shields.
Yeah, I have two of them, like, absolutely.
opening. Shredder's outpost.
He's flush. 96.
No, he's down. That person was down.
Kill the plonk. Charging my shields.
Alright, I'm moving towards y'all real quick. Hold on. I'm just going to get the wall. Being one,
Can we go
left.
through there or no?
Hiding from the zone. Hiding from the zone.
Okay. I'm with you.
I'm placing my cover to hide from the hole.
No. We just gotta go this way. Bad idea.
Hey, they're fighting last
To
team.
Sheena, mates.
Dead. All dead, baby.
Oh wow.
I told. Ah, man. 2 in a row is crazy. Hold on. 2 in a row is kind of crazy. Flat.
That's crazy.
2 in a row is kind of crazy. Yesterday, I came up with nothing, bro. I was going negative 50 every
You're
day.
trying.
Notice that I only did 2 damage and got 5 kills. Let's see it. Not bad. It wasn't 2 damage.
Not too shabby.
Yeah, it wasn't 2
You gotta get your damage up, hoster.
Man, how are you gonna talk to me like that,
Nah.
man? You can't tell me I didn't just shred them with the minigun. Come on now.
Yeah. I invited you. Come on, join up. Come on.
Alright.
Hold on, yeah.